All right, welcome. Here I am demonstrating how I use a sprite to create some pixel art. So I've learned from many people who do art that the best way to make something is to reference something. So here I am referencing a controller, a very generic controller. And what I want to do is make sure that I can see how the light was used, where the placement of everything is, and trying to figure out how I can best draw this while using the palette that I have here on the side. So I'm not a pixel artist. I've done some pixel art in the past just for fun, nothing that's too crazy or too good really, but it's not extremely horrible. Like you get an idea of what it is that I'm trying to represent anyway. So maybe that sloppy, weird, unperfect, jagged style just is my style. It's what always comes out when I try to make something. So maybe that's what makes my art unique. It's uniquely low effort. No, I'm just kidding. It's not low effort. I really do try. I'm just not good at it. But the things I need to improve are color theory, perspective, and shading and highlights, which, thinking about it, is pretty much everything to do with drawing, right? But well, anyway, so the reason why we're doing it here is we're trying to get a little bit of practice with our pixel art, because I've been working with some pixel artists who do great work, but they're just too expensive. I cannot afford them anymore. And for the UAP project, for example, we've paid close to $1,000 already, and we have a start screen, one level, 4 UFO ships not animated, and 2 human characters which are slightly animated. They have a walk cycle, and we quickly ran out of money. So there are some pixel artists out there who will say they will do it for a lot less, and either they take way too long to deliver, which I have tight deadlines being a solo developer, or the quality is just not there. It's not what I want. If it's going to look that bad, I might as well just do it myself, right? So here's where we are with attempting to get some pixel art practice. And here I'm adding some highlights in the same way that you would with, Photoshop, right? Photoshop, you use layers, and you can add like adjustment layers, like highlights or shadows and stuff like that. Yeah, like here, soft light is what I did. And yeah, so some skills are translating, I guess. I did used to use a lot of Photoshop because I did photography a while back, and I used to do graphic design, but in the sense of laying out logos and text and stuff, not really drawing. I'm not an illustrator or anything like that, but it works for what it is. So yeah, pretty much that's it for this update. I think that if this is interesting to anyone, I can continue sharing like the details, like the behind the scenes stuff on how I make stuff. Or yeah, I'm not sure what people would like to see. So if you have any recommendations on what you'd like to see, do you want to see code? Do you want to see how I create a level? Do you want to see how I anything to do with game dev, just leave it down in the comments. Let me know, and I'll try my best to share what I have. I'm new to this game development, so I'm going to share whatever everyone's interested in seeing. So, yeah, give this a like if you like it, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down.